Regarding the brief, Brett and Joy wanted a 2-bedroom home. They wanted 1 bedroom with a view to the east out into the 2 magnificent behuta kawa, and 1 bedroom to the west looking out over the bay. And the living room area to have both views, and a mudroom at the back because they are always out on the land. I was here one day just spending some time on site. I noticed this cluster of seed pods lying on the ground, and the way that the pod opens out, it's got a compass-like element to it. And so we made this simple model, and we folded it out. And we had living room, bedroom, mudroom. And there was also a bird-like quality to it when we referenced the roof. The house is symmetrical, so from the centre it folds out north, south, east and west. When you're walking around outside and you see these folds, there is a bird-like quality to that roofline, which helps tie in with Brett and Joy's wish for the house to represent in some way a bird taking flight. We really wanted the focus to be on the feet and the way that it folds. So we played down the facade really, which is just plain fibre cement sheet that we've painted black so that the feet really pops. In this main living area, got the kitchen and the dining, and then it steps down to the lounge. I mean, you can step out onto terraces on both sides. I think the house is a success because we've used that seed pod narrative all the way through, and the house does have a nice sense of place. It feels like it belongs here, and we're all really proud of it.